Hi guys, welcome to our Equos YouTube channel. I purchased new automatic Samsung washing machine with digital inverter technology, also equipped with Wobble technology. Samsung Wobble technology is a unique structure of Wobble pulsators that generate a multi-directional washing flow through left and right, upper and lower water movement. I will teach you on how to operate this automatic Samsung washing machine as easy as possible. For screw-type faucet in which water hose will be connected, remove original adapter and replace with screw-type adapter. Keep original adapter for future use. Connect the other end of the water hose to the inlet valve on the back of the washing machine. Turn the hose clockwise to tighten. Insert the drain hose into the drain outlet. Make sure to connect them firmly using the joint ring. The drain hose is extensible. Adjust the drain hose as needed. Connect the water hose to the screw-type faucet. Tighten in clockwise direction. Ensure no water leaks when open. My wife will now place the laundry inside the washing machine. Make sure the laundry does not exceed the plastic area for may cause not to wash properly, cause damage to the machine or laundry itself. Open container for detergent and fabric conditioner and place the right amount. Switch on the washing machine. Press cycle to select desired program. For this, select normal. Press start to start the cycle operation. In each cycle, it will do the washing, rinsing, and spin drying. It takes an hour to complete one cycle. While waiting, you can do other household chores or do some relaxation. When done with the laundry, clean the automatic washing machine, disconnect electrical connection and water supply. For more detailed information, read the Samsung washing machine user manual. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.